SpecChem's Duo Patch is a two-component polymer-modified concrete repair mortar with integral corrosion inhibitor for use in horizontal, form, and pour, and when mixed to a stiffer consistency, vertical and overhead applications. Duo Patch offers superior durability in industrial warehouse, parking deck, and roadway applications subjected to heavy loads and abrasion. The tools required are a heavy-duty mixing drill, an empty 5-gallon mixing pail, a float, hand trowel, or squeegee, safety glasses, gloves, cleanup water, and brushes. The concrete must be sound and free of all foreign material, including oil, grease, dust, latents, or other surface contaminants. For maximum durability, saw cut the perimeter of the repair 1/8 inch deeper than the depth of the repair, creating a notched, reinforced edge. Mechanically abrade the surface by an engineered approved method in accordance with ICRI 310.2 guideline to a minimum CSP5. All concrete surfaces to be repaired should be in a saturated surface damp condition with no standing water on the surface. A unit of Duo Patch comes with a 50-pound bag and 1-gallon jug of Duo Admix. For standard application and maximum strength and durability, remove 1 pint of the Duo Admix. This extra pint of Admix can be used as a sealer after the Duo Patch has dried. Followed by slowly adding the Duo Patch powder. Mix for 2 to 3 minutes. Mix only what can be applied within the setting period. Do not exceed 7 pints of Duo Admix for applications over 1/2 inch. Duo Patch can be applied in applications from feather edge to 1 inch in a lift for light traffic applications. Apply a scrub coat of the properly mixed Duo Patch by scrubbing a thin layer into the pre-dampened substrate with a stiff brush or sponge float. Place the repair mortar as soon as possible before the bond coat dries. Trowel, screed, or pour Duo Patch firmly into the prepared area, ensuring intimate contact with the bonding surface. Finish Duo Patch level with the surrounding concrete and allow to take an initial set. After the initial set, when Duo Patch surface is hard, finish by hand troweling. For deep applications, approximately 2 inches or greater, mix 7 pints of Duo Patch Admix with 50 pounds of Duo Patch powder. Mix for 2 to 3 minutes and then add pre-saturated 3/8 inch pea gravel by 60% weight, 30 pounds of pea gravel per 50 pounds of Duo Patch powder, and mix to a uniform consistency. For thin overlay applications, add the entire 8 pints of Duo Patch Admix and mix thoroughly. This will give you a semi-self-leveling product that is extremely easy to spread in a thin overlay with a trowel or squeegee. Duo Patch is self-curing under most conditions. In severe drying conditions, use an ASTM C309 compliant water-based SpecChem curing compound. Finish the repair material to the desired texture to best match the surrounding concrete. Do not add additional water to the surface during finishing. Lightly spray SpecChem Spec Film as a finishing aid on this and any other polymer modified mortars to assist in finishing. Benefits of SpecChem product. Contains integral corrosion inhibitor. Suitable for repairs from feather edge to 2 inches. Interior or exterior overlayment applications. Excellent durability and adhesion. Excellent freeze-thaw durability. Easy to trowel, high slump consistency. Dries to natural concrete gray color.